Hello everyone, this is Ankita Nandy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Past few months have been crazy busy for me with all the traveling and shooting and performances and interviews and traveling back to Pune. If you follow me closely, then you would know that I'm an engineering final year student. So as soon as we landed in Pune, I've had project submissions and exams and this and that. And with this crazy busy schedule comes a lot of stress, and I think all of us can mutually agree on the fact that our lives have been quite stressful. It could be mental stress, it could be physical stress, it could be workload, it could be love life stress also, right? But you know what, I recently got to know that apart from all these stresses, there is one extra stress that none of us knew about. It's called the skin stress. It's also known as oxidative stress. Our skin is also under stress. Could you even imagine that? Our skin produces this oxidative stress due to external aggressors like exposure to UV rays, pollution, our fast-paced lifestyle and everything. So this oxidative stress actually accelerates our skin aging and dark spots and pigmentation. So if you see any of those in your face, this is the reason. Because of this fast-paced life that I've been having recently, I started feeling very tired and exhausted. And I thought to myself, you know what? Maybe sleeping a proper 8 hours without any disturbance would probably help me get rid of this exhaustion. So I started researching a little bit and digging deep about if there were other benefits of having proper sleep at night, and this is what I figured out. So if you have a proper sleep at night, your cell regeneration absolutely peaks and your skin is the most permeable at night, which means that is the best time for fighting oxidative stress. So to help fight this oxidative stress, Garnier has come up with this amazing product that I highly recommend, the Garnier Bright Complete 10% Vitamin C Overnight Serum. This product by Garnier has recently entered the Indian market. This contains 10% pure vitamin C that actually helps in reducing the oxidative stress significantly. This product actually reduces the resurfacing of dark spots and pigmentation and gives a brighter skin from the first morning of use. The consistency of the product is extremely smooth and very lightweight, and it gets easily absorbed into the skin. The application of the product is super simple. All you have to do is wash your face, pat it dry and apply a few drops over your face and spread it across. That's it, you're done. As you can see, my dark spots have definitely visibly reduced quite a lot. This new launch is now exclusively available only on Nykaa with a launch discount. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, grab yours now. Don't let the stress dull your life or your skin.